Global Access Forex. The one thing I need you to understand about one saying, it is not about you are right or you are wrong. It is about money you lost while you are wrong, and how much money you lost while you are right, or how much money you risk while you are wrong, or how much money you risk while you are right. That's the most important aspect of the trading psychology and terminology with respect to money management concepts you need to understand, which it compiled together, risks together, aligned them together. I'm very sure with a good trading plan and a good strategy and also a good trading system, you can be able to excel the forex market. This is Adnan, Global Access Forex. Good morning. It's exactly what this guy asked us. I want to know how to calculate PIPS, and this question he asked is based on Boom and Crash video. So for that reason, I'm going to show you in this video the accurate and most confident way to calculate PIPS in Boom and Crash. From now henceforth, you'll never have any problem or any issue with creating something calculate PIPS with Boom and Crash. So let's dive into our today's session. I already told you, before I dive into today's session, I'm going to first of all answer or tell you more about PIPS, percentage in price. Some call it percentage in price, some call it percentage interest in price. So it depends on anyhow you call it or anyhow you know it. PIP is a PIP, and it's a measurement of small entity with respect to market movement. So that we should understand about PIP. So now since we understand what is PIP, let's know how to calculate PIPS. We have two basic ways to calculate PIPS. Any kind of PIP in Boom and Crash market. Number one, we have the simple way, and number two, we have the another way that is not simple, that is not as simple as the other one. So let me show you the two now. So if you want to calculate PIPS of any point on this market, the only thing you need to do is just click on this plus arrow on top of your screen. This is it. If you see this thing appearing, fine, you are good to go. Then probably you want to calculate PIPS from this level down to this level probably. Then we'll just hold our point here. As you are holding it and pressing it on the screen, I'm using my left hand now to hold this, to press this thing on my screen. As I'm holding it, I'll just put I'm using my left hand, so let me put my right hand as well on the screen at the same time. Let me show you. You'll see something like a magnet following you. So it's trying to show you that from where do you want to calculate. If you are calculating, let's assume we say we are looking for this point. You see, exactly for this point. You see, so those first numbers, that's 27, is the number of candles it produces from that point up to this level, and that 142.1404 is the actual number of pips. Is 142. Yes, 140. Let me put it here. 143.49 pips. So you see, and if you want to calculate it up to this level, fine. Here, so if you just mark your main area, probably your highest point and lowest point, just hold it on your hand, press on the screen, or with your left hand, and press your right hand on the screen. You'll see this thing like magnet coming up. You see, you can even move that one. If you release that one and turn on this one, let's measure from here and let's pick this one too. So okay, let's do it again. Then you see, let's put it for this level. Then we should place our screen. So you see, we have, if you want to calculate to this level, look at it. If you want to reach this, go up to this level, it's still the same thing. If you come, keep it here and carry this one, go. You can adjust it anyhow you want. You can adjust it from this level down to this level, from that level down to this level. You can manipulate and work around with it anyhow you want. This is at non-global access forest. So this is the first simple method to calculate pips, and let me show you the second simple method on how to calculate pips on boom and crash. Let me use the boom 1000 index now. Let me use the boom 1000 index now. Now they have a running trade. This is our magic. You see this signal is still going down. This is a live signals directly I give to my BIP members in our boom and crash signals. Look at it, and this market is currently running. So you see this signal have been given from our magic bomb strategy. We have gotten our confirmations here, another confirmation at this level, and last confirmation on the last MACD chart. So this is at non-global access first. Please, if you are finding any value on this video, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your loved ones so that we can be able to get more and more traffic. This is at non-global access forex, and let's move to the next level of how to calculate pips on boom and crash. Number one, you have to identify the highs and the lows of the area you want to calculate pips. Let me show you. Assuming you want to calculate pips from this level down to this level, you'll just get your horizontal line, go to here, click on this, see your horizontal line here, go and place it here. You see, if you look towards the end of the trend line, look, let me show you, let me use this arrow, show you something here. If you look towards the end of this trend line, look at it here, look at it. The numbers is 7492.78. So 7492.78 is the highest of what we want to calculate the pips. Then let's go to our next point. Let's go to our next point. This is our high point, and let's get to our next point. Get it, drag it here. You see, so the number of pips from this point to this point, you'll just subtract this 74.92, you'll minus 74.27 from this 74.92, and let's calculate it and see. From here we have 74.92.788, and here we have 74.27.011. So let's use calculator and calculate it, and we'll still use our other way to calculate it and see if we have the same number. So let's go on. You see, we have what levels and what levels are we? We have 74.92.788, 74.92.788 minus 74 27.011 minus 74 27 74 27.011 is what is 65.77. So 65.77 is the number of pips we have calculated from that highs and lows. Then let's go and use the other method and verify the same number of pips we calculated in there. So let's check and see. So using our first method, let's just get this our vertical and horizontal terminal line. Let's see, as we keep it here on top of this, let's press again. See it come up. Sorry, it didn't work. Let's start again. Let's see, we are hoping to put it here. You see, so it's let's start from here. Sorry, please let me do it again for the last time. This lows, you see, we calculate it up to this level, so this one is up. Let's do it again for the last time. I want us to get it very correct so that I compare it with the number of people calculated. You see, so you see this is, so if you take it up to this level, you see, up to this level, You see, up to this level, let's calculate it as 65.759. 65.75. Look at the 65. Sorry, 66, but let's bring it down small to the H. So you see 65 point something now. So it's exactly 65 pips. So you see, we have used this thing to calculate it, and we use our normal method to calculate it, and we are getting our complete pips. So this is Adnan Global Access Forex. In my next video, I'm going to teach you on how to enter your stop loss and take profits, and how to calculate pips and enter it into, though I have shown you how to calculate pips now, and I'm very sure you should not have any problem with how to calculate pips. So by next video, I'm going to show you how to insert your signal with the corresponding number of pips you are given as your TP1, TP2, and TP3. That video will be very, very useful to my VIP members. At least they can be able to understand how they can make money using the signals we give to them. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Now answer his question. So for anybody that have any other question, please don't forget, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and comment with any question you want to ask me in the description of this video, and I will be able to answer you and give you a live full update in the next 24 hours. You can see this video I'm currently making now. Somebody asked this question for the last 24 hours, and he have gotten his answer in just 24 hours. So that's as simple as that. If you will have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I'll be able to make a very nice free video answering your question for your own benefit. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. Please don't forget, if you are finding any value on this video, hit the like button. If you are not finding any value on this video, please, I want you to dislike this video for me. After you dislike it, then you can be able to comment for me on how I can be able to upgrade and make my video better in my next video. Nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.